Hey everyone, today we're going to make quick and easy tortilla pizzas. Yes, you can use flour tortillas to make pizzas with. It actually turns out surprisingly good, and the crust of it, which is a tortilla, actually gets pretty crispy. This is a quick meal for you to make when you don't have a lot of time, but you still want something that's going to taste good. All right, first you're going to add some 8 to 10 inch flour tortillas on a large baking sheet, and you're going to probably have to scoot them on there diagonally if you have the larger tortillas. And I also use some parchment paper underneath it to keep anything from sticking or dirtying up my pan. So it makes it for some easy cleanup. Now I'm just adding some olive oil, and I'm just taking a little silicone brush and brushing it all over the tortillas. You don't want to add a lot of olive oil to the tortillas, but you do want to coat them because this is what's going to help crisp them up in the oven. So now I'm just sprinkling the tortillas with a little bit of garlic powder. You can do this if you want. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to do this. But I think this just gives it a little extra flavor. Now you're going to bake these at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 6 minutes. So just kind of shoot for the middle. It depends on your oven, but you'll see them start to crisp up and curl up. See around the edges here. And now I'm just adding in some pizza sauce. You can use whatever sauce you want. I liked the red pizza sauce, but you can use like the Alfredo sauce if you're maybe making a chicken Alfredo pizza. Just use what you like. And then just sprinkle on a little bit of cheese. I use pizza blend cheese here, but use whatever you like. And now I'm adding pepperoni, but you can add the types of toppings that you like. You might like sausage or hamburger, or make a veggie pizza, or even maybe a Canadian bacon with pineapple. So now I'm just going to add some more cheese on the top because why not? And you're going to bake this again at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for another 3 to 6 minutes. You want to watch it closely because you don't want anything to burn, but you do want the pizzas to be crispy. And then when I pull them out, I just wait for a couple of minutes or so, and then just use my pizza cutter here and then cut them. These are best eaten soon after they've come out of the oven. You can store these in a Ziploc bag if you have any left over, but they're not ever going to really be as crispy as they were right when they came out of the oven. But make these your own, customize them to whatever you like on the top. These are super easy and they're actually really good. I hope you enjoyed this one. Happy baking, and I will see you next time.